Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. You guys know that whenever I come at you with my cornrows, you know it's time for another hair review. Guys, I've been reviewing a lot of hair and let me tell you, I have been loving it. I have been loving adding new hair to my collection. I've just been loving it and I cannot wait to tell you guys where today's wig is from. Now the hair we are going to be reviewing in today's video is from Alipearl hair. Alipearl hair sent me this lovely box. Love that this is just a nice gold box, okay, with a brand name on it, Alipearl. Now let's get into opening this box. Why? Because we are not here to waste plenty of time, okay? Now opening this box, the very first thing I can see is the hair. Again, it's something blonde. This is my blonde season, you guys. This is my blonde season, okay? Can somebody help me take a look at the blonde nature of this hair? But let's go into other things in the box first before we come back to this hair, okay? Obviously we have a pack of wig caps. This is the HD wig cap, the two-piece HD wig cap. I think these HD wig caps are becoming a thing right now because almost every brand is sending out HD wig caps right now. Then we have a pair of lashes. Ooh, these lashes are they are long, like they are long. This velcro fasteners, velcro bands that you use to hold down your wigs with the Alipearl logo on it. We have obviously an edge brush, and then this is so beautiful, guys. Let me open this up. This is a nice compact mirror. This is so pretty. I wish you guys can see this. I'm not sure, but it is so pretty. Like, look at that Alipearl at the back. This is definitely going into my handbag like right now. We have a dust bag to store your wig, super duper important. All right, so now that we have gotten all of that out of the way, let us look at what this hair is looking like, okay? I put seeing this blonde. Hey, this blonde is blonding. Okay, Alipearl. Okay, this is blonde, guys, but I love it. It's right up my alley. You guys know me. I love my blonde hair. Now, this is an 18-inch 13x4 lace frontal blonde wig from Alipearl hair. First impressions, softness. My hands are going through the hair like this because I know that there are a lot of blonde hair you might get from other companies that, you know, when the hair has been bleached, it becomes coarse, but this is soft. My fingers are going through this. Like, look at that. This looks like a hair that you can easily coil or easily straighten. For this video, I definitely want to straighten this to see what it looks like straight, but also from the texture, I can tell that it will take to coils really well. Again, this is very well made. I mean, look at the inside of that wig. It comes with all the necessary combs so that your wig is snug on your head. It comes with this big band. I'm so impressed with this huge big band, and it's just so well made. I mean, look at that, so well made. Alipearl, okay, I see you. Anywho, without further ado, let's get into installing this wig because your girl is super duper excited. Look at this beautiful lace. Like, look at this lace. It doesn't look like it has been pre-bleached, so I may have to put my shade of foundation inside, but it definitely has been pre-plucked. Look at that hairline. I don't know if you guys can see the hairline from here, but that hairline is as pre-plucked comes. First things first is that I'm going to apply my shade of foundation inside here so it's nice and tinted, and then I'm going to wear this wig. Yeah, so straight up you can see that the lace looks a lot better tinted with my shade of foundation. You guys know what this wig is reminding me of? This wig is reminding me of Storm in X-Men. If you guys know X-Men, the character called Storm, like her hair is always like whitish blonde, and this hair is kind of reminding me of that. This is not as whitish obviously, but the look is giving me like Storm vibes. This is such a darn pretty wig. Like, I can't even lie, this is such a pretty wig. Look at that lace. Literally, they haven't cut off the lace yet, but you can just imagine by seeing how this looks. And look at that lovely hairline. That beautiful natural hairline is so gorgeous. Next thing would be to cut this lace. All right, so basically what I've done is just to cut the lace and remove the excess around my ears. Nothing much, just usually this little around my ears that are just, you know, hanging there. And we literally have this. Guys, I have not even applied anything. I just applied a little hair wax to lay this part back a little bit to enable me see what I was cutting. But aside that, I haven't applied anything, and I can already see what this hair is going to look like by the time it is glued down and all of that. So basically what I would do, you guys know I hardly even use like a glue to glue down my lace. I just use like the got to be glued spray. So I'm going to be using that right now to glue down the frontal and see how I can straighten this hot comb bit, make it look nicer than it actually looks. That's a strong Velcro. Wow, this band is strong. Like, it is strong, and I love that so much. Okay, so guys, I am done straightening this hair, and you guys can see the beauty that is this hair. Like, it's gorgeous. I used my flat iron to just, you know, flatten this side a little bit, and then I straightened with my hair straightener. And guys, this hair is so beautiful. It's so soft, it's so luscious. For blonde hair, it looks really, really good. Color is giving. Like, I'm just really enjoying, you know, brushing it, running my fingers through it, and I am really loving this look. You cannot tell me anything. Okay, this blonde season, we are going to blonde our way through this entire season, okay, because this is beautiful. The hair is not really shedding per se, as you guys can see, just a little bit. Okay, it's not really shedding. I can't really see any shedding going on. In case you're wondering if it sheds, I can't see anything. This has to be one of the best wigs I have tried in recent times, because like everything is just so easy. The fact that it's a frontal, it was not even difficult to lay the frontal. It was already pre-plucked. All I had to do was just to like tint the lace with my foundation color, and that was it. Cut the lace and lay it down with got to be spray. It's already looking bomb. So let's take off this Velcro band and see what this frontal is looking like, because you guys know that is where I'm always very interested. I really want to see what this frontal is looking like. My goodness, this Velcro is hard. Like, the Velcro is good. All right. Wait. Alipearl, take all my coins, take all my money, take all my everything. Are you guys seeing this? Here's the lace. Oh my god, guys, this is so pretty. I love it when I lay a frontal and I cannot see lace. I cannot see any trace of lace peeking through, because this is flawless. This is beautiful. Just going to use my foundation brush, what is left on it, to just like, you know, blend it further into my skin, just so it's a little bit more flawless. And guys, that's it. Like, this is a frontal, but it is so easy to lay and so easy to install. Again, this beautiful unit is from Alipearl Hair. This is an 18 inches 13x4 lace frontal blonde wig, and as you guys can see, I am absolutely loving it. Okay, information you need about this hair will be in my description box below, so make sure you go check it out. See, don't miss out on this, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye.